Hey, I'm not a busy mom like most people do. Busy mom, the type of thing. But today I'm going to show you a recipe I want to do by myself. And I'm going to put it in a crock pot. Here's my crock pot. Here's my crock pot. Okay, so we're going to do that. I'm going to do 2 packs of chicken. I'm going to do a whole can enchilada sauce. I'm going to put water in it and taco seasoning, salt and pepper. Yeah, and I need to show y'all, but it's gonna be kind of hard to show y'all, so I might as well just show y'all. Let me see how I can do this. Okay, let's see. There we go. Alright, so we got this. And you don't have to cook the chicken at all. You just put it in frozen. Okay. So we're going to put this on the chicken. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to spring it all over the chicken like this. And this is going to be for enchiladas. It's up to you if you want to do salt and pepper. This is my salt and pepper shaker. So you put some in there like this. Then I got this big can of red enchilada sauce. And you want to put this all over it. I'm doing a big can because I'm going to use it for the toppings, for the top of the enchilada, of the tortillas, a cup of water, and you want to get this. You don't have to get this brand, but it needs to be roasted red bell peppers, and they're already roasted and put in a jar. These are going to be in a big, but that's okay, and I'm just going to put them in here. Just like that. And I'm putting mine on low, because I'm going to cook mine all day. You can put yours on high if you're planning on cooking it for 6 hours, 4 to 6 hours. And that's what it will look like. Alright, so you want to preheat your oven to 425. Then you want to get some kind of pan. It don't matter what kind of pan, glass, whatever pan you have. And then you're going to spray the bottom. And then we're going to use this to make our enchiladas. And the remaining sauce will go on the top, along with cheese. Then we're going to use it's a triple cheddar cheese, and we're going to sprinkle right on top. And you can put as much cheese as you want it, or less cheese, or no cheese. That's totally up to you. Then our oven is preheated to 425. And then put it down for 20 minutes. Ooh, it's done. I topped mine with sour cream, my famous habanero hot sauce, and guacamole. I'll leave that up to you. I hope you give this video a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and like and comment. If you want to see more videos like this, please let me know, and I will do more videos. Appreciate y'all. Have a blessed day.